Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Fiat 500 dashboard. First, ensure your vehicle is off and disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery for safety. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including various screwdrivers and plastic trim removal tools. Finally, clear the passenger footwell area of any obstructions, like floor mats, to give yourself ample working space. Now, let's start removing the visible components. Begin by gently prying off the side dashboard trim panels using your plastic trim tools to avoid scratches. Next, open the glove box, unscrew all its mounting fasteners, and carefully remove the entire assembly. Finally, detach the instrument cluster surround, which usually involves a few hidden screws, and set it aside. With the trim removed, it's time to disconnect the electrical system. Carefully unplug all electrical connectors that are visible behind the dashboard, taking photos if needed for reassembly. Then, locate and remove any remaining dashboard mounting screws, often found along the top edge or near the windshield. Also, ensure all air vents and their associated ducting are completely detached. You're almost there. With all fasteners and wires disconnected, gently pull the dashboard away from the firewall. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you in guiding the dashboard out of the vehicle, as it can be bulky. Once removed, carefully store the dashboard in a safe, clean area to prevent any scratches or damage during your repair work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.